Forgiveness is not easy, but it is the way of Christ. Totoo naman, ang hirap magpatawad. Minsan iniisip natin, bakit ko siya papatawarin samantalang sobra akong nasaktan? O kaya naman, kung papatawarin ko, baka isipin niya okay lang yung ginawa niya. These are real thoughts, real struggles, and God understands that. But in Ephesians 4:32 says, "Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other, just as in Christ God forgave you." Kapag iniisip natin kung gaano karaming beses tayong nagkamali, pero pinapatawad pa rin tayo ng Lord, doon natin mare-realize na hindi pala optional ang forgiveness, kundi calling ito bilang anak niya. Look at Jesus. Nung nasa cross siya, nasaktan, iniwan, tinakwil, yet ang prayer niya ay, "Father, forgive them." Kung siya nga in His pain nakapagpatawad, what excuse do we really have not to? Hindi madali. Oo. Minsan feeling natin, "Lord, hindi ko kaya. Sobrang sakit." Pero sa totoo lang, we don't forgive with our own strength. We forgive with His. Kasi kapag kumapit tayo sa galit at sakit, tayo rin ang nabibigatan. Parang dala-dala natin yung chain araw-araw. Pero kapag pinili natin magpatawad, it's not about letting them off the hook. It's about setting ourselves free. It's about saying, "Lord, Ikaw na bahala. Ayokong ikulong ang sarili ko sa galit." Yes, forgiveness is not easy. But with God, it is possible. And every time we choose to forgive, kahit mahirap, we become more like Christ. And that's kind of